In this section, we're going to look at solving exponential equations, and in order to do that, we need to know what to look for first so that we know what strategy to use to approach the solution. An exponential equation is an equation containing a variable in an exponent, such as the two equations you see here. The first thing to do when trying to decide how to solve such an equation is to look at your equation and determine if both sides of the equation can be written using the same base. So take a look at these two equations. In the equation on the left, we have 2 to the x plus 6 equals 32. I can write the number 32 using a 2 so that it matches the equation portion on the left. I could write 32 as 2 to the 5th power so that both sides are written with a base of 2. If I look at the equation over here on the right, I could not write 35 as a power of 2. There is no exponent that I could put here in order to get 35 out. Take a look at the three examples I have written here, and let's decide which ones can be written using the same base and which cannot. And if they can, let's go ahead and write them using the same base just for practice. So in the first one, I have 9 to the power of x equals 3 to the 6th power. Both 9 and 3 can be written using 3. 3 is already using 3 as a base. So 9 can become 3 squared. So that is going to be 3 squared, power of x, and 3 to the 6th. So notice now, both of those have a base that is 3. They have the same base. Let's take a look at the next one. Currently, I have a 4 and an 8 as a base. I can't write them both using a 4, but I could write them both using a 2, because 2 squared is 4, and 2 cubed is another way to write 8. So I can write both of these values using a 2. I can accomplish the same base using a 2 for this one. So these can be written using the same base. And in the last one, I have a 4 and I have a 15. There is no number that I can write by using the same base in order to get a 4 and a 15. So these cannot be written using the same base. When exponential equations can be written using the same base, there's a property that allows us to solve them. If the bases can be written the same, the property says if the base of the first equation is the same as the base of the second equation, what we can do is take the exponents in those equations and set them equal to each other. So the property is if b to the power of m is equal to b to the power of n, then the exponents can be set equal to each other. So what that means is if these two values are the same, what we can do is the bases can be dropped, and the exponents can be set equal and used to evaluate and solve for the unknown. If we cannot write the exponential equation with like bases, then we will use logarithms to solve.